All right. This is about having good multiplication skills right now. All right. So our instructions say that we have to factor. Okay. Notice it has 3 terms. Okay. So we have 3 terms and it says to factor. So I am going to do something called what I call the magic X. Okay. So I'm going to take an X. And it's a big symbol. It's not the letter X. It just looks like an X. Okay. I am going to take the number that is in the, well, actually, technically, I take the 1 times the 15, and I put that up top. So it's 1 times negative 15. Negative 15. And I'm setting it up like that on purpose, because eventually we'll have something other than 1 in the lead there. Okay? This week we won't. We're just going to keep it simple this week. All right, and then I take whatever's in the middle without the variables and put it in the bottom. All the magic X is a tool to make it so you don't have to guess and check. Okay? I now need 2 numbers that multiply to negative 15 and add to positive 2. So I'm going to go through my list of factors for 15. So what are some numbers that multiply to 15? 3 and 5. Okay, what else? There's one other pair. 1 and 15. Don't forget the 1 times something, because that's the answer a lot. Okay, a lot more than you'd think. Okay? So out of those pairings, is there some way I could get a positive 2? What could I do? Not negative 5 and positive 3. Okay, let's check that. So if I take and I multiply negative 5 times positive 3, I get negative 15. I like it. If I add negative 5 and positive 3, do I get positive 2? What do I have to fix? I got to fix the negative, right? So I need to swap where this is. Because now when I add it, 5 plus negative 3 is positive 2. We get on the sign mistake. Right? It's okay to make the mistake, right? We're going to fix it. All right. At that point, I now have what I need for the factors, okay? So when remember we foiled the other week. This is undoing FOIL, okay? So I'm going to take, I usually take whatever variable's in the middle, so an X, okay? And I'm going to put plus 5 and minus 3 in there. It does not matter what order you do. I could do X minus 3, X plus 5, and it's an acceptable answer. Okay, so there's no order difference. Okay, any questions? All right, we're going to try it again. Okay, I've got 4 of them on there today, I think. Yeah, 4. Okay, let's do another one together. Okay, so again, I'm going to go through it with you. I have to multiply the invisible 1 times the negative 28. What do I get? Negative 28. That goes in the top. Okay. In the bottom of the magic X, I take this coefficient that's in the middle, 3. Notice I'm not putting my variables in there. This is just to help me manipulate the numbers, figure out the numbers. All right, I want 2 things that multiply to negative 28 and add to negative 3. So give me some factors. What are some possibilities for 28? What times what's 28? 7 times 4. What else? 2 times 14. What else? There's another one. 1 and 28. Okay. So looking at those possibilities, what can I get to add to negative 3? 4 and 7. Okay. Which one would I have to make negative to get a negative 3? 7. Good. And I can always check it. 4 times negative 7 is negative 28. 4 plus negative 7 is negative 3. So I know I've got it. It always comes out to be a binomial times a binomial. Okay. I'm going to take that variable that's in the middle, put it in front, and then I'm going to go plus 4 minus 7. I could also write it x minus 7, x plus 4. Okay. All right. I want you to give it a shot. You try to write a magic X, and let's just do, you try to do the whole magic X for just number 3. Don't worry about number 4 yet, just do number 3. Let's see if we can get that down. Okay, really quick, check it with somebody at your table. Okay, let's talk about it together. What did we get at the top of our magic X? What number did we put there? 16, good. Okay, what number did we put at the bottom of our magic X? 10. So I need two numbers that multiplied to 16 and added to 10. What do we get? 8 and 2. Did I need to worry about the signs? Nope, they're both positive. 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so then I write x plus 8 times x plus 2. Any questions? Okay. All right. We're going to do one more. I want you to try it. I'll give you like 30 seconds. See if you can do it faster this time. Okay. Okay. Let's check it together. So, what did you guys put in the top? 12. Good. What do we put in the bottom? -7. Two numbers that multiply to 12 and add to -7. Does it matter the order I put those in there? No, does not matter the order. So we have, I'd say -4 times -3 is +12. -4 plus -3 is -7. I like it. Okay. So I write it as x minus 4 times x minus 3. Okay. We had in algebra 2, we did this little magic X box. We did difference of squares in algebra 1. We have 2 or 3 other types we have to cover in algebra 2. So this we're doing as a weekly skills check. Make sure we've got it down. Okay. All right. We're going to switch to the notes. So you got a note page, I think, Friday. Let's switch to that. Okay. So get that in front of you. It was this one that we were working on. Okay. We are solving absolute value equations. Yeah.
Can I get the notes?
The notes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give